How do I know if the replacement charging case I buy will be compatible with my earbuds?
Hello there. Today, we're going to discuss a common question that many earbud users have. How do I know if the replacement charging case I buy will be compatible with my earbuds? This is an important question because using an incompatible case can lead to various issues, such as damaged earbuds or improper charging. Understanding the compatibility is crucial to make sure you get the best experience from your earbuds.
Why is compatibility important?
First things first, let's talk about why compatibility matters. A charging case is not just a place to store your earbuds, it also recharges your earbuds' batteries. If the case isn't compatible, it may not charge your earbuds correctly or at all. It could even damage your earbuds. Hence, understanding compatibility is not just about convenience, it's also about protecting your investment.
Brand and model match.
The easiest way to ensure compatibility is to buy a charging case of the same brand and model as your earbuds. This is the most straightforward approach because manufacturers design earbuds and their charging cases to work together seamlessly. If you're buying a replacement case, check the brand and model of your earbuds, then look for a case that matches these specifications.
Looking for official compatibility information.
If you can't find a case of the same brand and model, or if you're considering a third-party case, make sure to check the product descriptions and specifications. Manufacturers or sellers usually list the models that a case is compatible with. So, ensure the model of your earbuds is listed in the compatible models for the charging case you're considering.
Understanding connection type.
Another factor to consider is the connection type. The earbuds connect to the case through a specific type of connector. If your earbuds and the case have different connectors, they won't be compatible. For most earbuds, this connection is achieved through small charging pins or a USB Type-C connector. In conclusion, compatibility between your earbuds and a replacement charging case is a crucial aspect to consider for the longevity of your device and an optimal user experience. Make sure to match the brand and model, check official compatibility lists, and understand the connection type. We hope this video has been helpful and has given you the knowledge you need to confidently choose a compatible charging case for your earbuds. Enjoy your music, and take care.